Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions below. So I'm just going in right now with some rubbing alcohol, cleaning my forehead and then my face, and eventually I'll start to burn my eyes with the rubbing alcohol. I already bleached the knots on my closure. On my frontal, so it's already that brassy tone. Then I'm just going in with this Ghost Bond Glow. I'm going to apply 3 to 4 layers. I lost count because it was just making a mess and it just was frustrating me. But about 3 to 4 layers so that it can last at least 3 weeks. You'll see the mess that I'm about to make after that. But I apply a layer, then I take a little stick. I think I use like my bleaching brush, the end of that, to just smooth it out. To just smooth it out into my cap. Ow. Ow. Yeah, so like I said, I made a mess, and then I just took some alcohol and then wiped my forehead so that the glue wasn't down. It's like, just so that it wasn't looking nasty on my forehead. I don't want glue all over. So then while my layers are drying, I noticed that I still had clips on my wig. I guess I never removed them the first time I had installed this wig. I couldn't find my scissors, so I'm just taking cuticle cutters and I'm just trying to basically cut the thread to get the clips out. Then once it's out, I just take some powder foundation or whatever it is, and I just put it along the edges of my frontal. And now we're trying to apply it to my head. So this is the first time that I ever applied 3 or 4 layers to myself. I didn't realize how basically like thick it was and how sticky it was. Like once you lay the frontal down, you can't really pick it up and move it around. You can't maneuver it. Now I'm just taking a comb and I'm just combing the hairs back so that they're not getting stuck to the glue. And no, I do not like to do baby hairs when I have dark roots or when I have colored hair because it just looks tacky to me. Baby hairs are not for my forehead. So as you see, I'm just trying to comb the hair back because it's like stuck a little. Because as I said, the glue is like so thick. Then I'm taking the other end of the comb and just smoothing the frontal in a little more. Then I'm taking my generic hairspray and I'm just spraying it along my hairline just to add like a little bit of extra hold since I couldn't find my Got2b spray. And I'm just combing my hair back as well. Now I'm taking my elastic band, laying it along my edges. And I'm going to start to detangle my hair. This is how the hair looks after a wash. Then I'm going in with my hair oil. I would say I use about a quarter size amount. I didn't just throw it on my hair. Like, I kind of combed it through the back of my head first, and then I applied it to the top of my head, just so that it didn't look greasy only on top, and that basically the whole wig was well oiled. And now I'm just defining my parting. Well, I'm not really defining my parting here. I am more so just flattening the top of my hair and then giving the actual hair a good comb through, because I didn't feel like flat ironing it. I think I'm going to either wand curl it or crimp it later on, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But right now, I'm just basically combing it through just to get the curly waves out from the bottom of the wig. This frontal is a 13 by 6, so it does have lots of parting space. Like, lots of parting space to work with. Now I'm going to go ahead and define my part with my rat tail comb. And already I am liking the way that this frontal is laying on my head. I didn't even put on any makeup or anything. Usually I like define my part with a little bit of makeup and the hairline a little bit, but I didn't put on any makeup today, so I was like, what's the point? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Then taking my time, I'm just going in with my hot comb just to define my part a little more. And this is pretty much it. This is all I do when I install my wigs. Pretty simple. If you guys like what you see, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want the details to like my social media or for this wig, it will all be linked below in the description box. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.